All about experience is to feel the adrenaline running through our veins, like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
One, two, 1, 2. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Excellent.
Get out, girl.
All right. So the analysis I shared is about to hit stop loss. So it's not easy. It's hard to read gold. For now, I'm going to pull out from the position because gold has the chance to come back to retest the weekly pivot and then move higher if today's number is going to be, let me read my notes, higher than expected. Can you hear me?
Yes, Thomas. Loud and clear.
All right, excellent.
Hi, Thomas. Hi, crew.
Hey, Marjorie. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you very much. And how are you?
Tired. Very tired.
Oh. What's the weather like where you are?
Shit. It's very rainy.
Is it? Is it?
Raining
Oh,
on
the
cats
sun's
and
come out
dogs.
today. We've got some winter sun in Sheffield.
Ah, it's good for a change, isn't it?
It is.
In Germany, we have heavy snow.
Hi guys.
Hello, Milad.
Not just in Germany, here in Norway we have also like snow and all these cold things. So it's kind of boring, but yeah.
Yes.
Oops. Right, so I just booked a loss of £300. Yeah, I think it was this one. Yeah. That was the last position. The last 2 days isn't very good in the market for me. So today we are going to have... What are we going to have today, team?
Jobless claim.
Jobless claims. And manufacturing index. So, what's the current unemployment rate in the US?
What was it? 6, 7?
And yeah, 3.6, 3.5, it moves around that. So,
Yeah.
is it a tight labor market or is it bad?
Yes, pretty tight. But
Very
we love
tight.
that. But
Yep.
Yeah.
yeah.
Go ahead. Waiting for it.
I did it. I should not make funny jokes. My wife listened yesterday by YouTube.
Oh,
You have to
Busted.
behave yourself.
so you're in the doghouse
Busted.
now.
But she's now not here, so
That doesn't mean she's not watching YouTube, bro.
now she's working with my brother-in-law.
Oh, okay.
That's also pictures, so I'm safe for now. I think. I hope.
Thomas, I'm still holding the buy
Yeah.
on the low
I have a
time
f-
frame. On the
I have a
5
yeah, I have a feeling that you know, it could retest. Now we have a big ass wick right here, but it could come back to retest 1905, or it could just melt because the bull flag didn't really hold so far, and now we have. I'm talking about just purely technicals. Now we have a head and shoulders as well. It's a very contradicting. And the market, if you look at the market in general, as I posted in my morning analysis, it's easier to read it out. So if I go to the morning analysis, so the market sentiment is that investors still betting on the chances that the US Fed is going to slow down with the interest rate hike. Despite, and I highlighted this, despite that key members of the Fed signaled their intent to keep pushing interest rates higher to combat inflation. Market sentiment still sees a 25 basis point rate hike, which is a chance that the US is going to, you know, slow down. So that's what the market is pricing in February. Actually, it's the last day of January, so it's not February. And rate cuts from September, and gold is enjoying the perceived less hawkish Fed. All right, doggy is out. So the market is clearly, you know, priced in and enjoyed a less hawkish Fed in the past few months. Since October, November, clearly a bull run. But recently, as with the earnings coming out as well, the picture is quite mixed. That's why it's difficult to read gold. Yesterday missed the US 30 sell, even though, you know, Ahmed jumped in the right time. He delivered a very good analysis on US 30, but still, he got stopped out, left the stream, and I saw like it was like 500 pips drop. How crazy is that?
Yesterday was a hard day for me also.
Yeah, it wasn't easy. But tomorrow is Friday, and a weekend is coming, so that's a good thing at least. And looking at the data, initial jobless claims and counting jobless claims coming up in about 10 minutes. Now, the labor market is tight, so I think we really have to have a very big surprise for the jobless claims to move the market. Or if it's, you know, still very tight, then the market is going to just straight go back to 1920, even 1930s if the labor market data is worse than expected, but actually it's bad for the unemployed because no, is it better next good? Anyway, so I'm going to observe the market today. Haven't slept too much. Parents will understand. It's tough when your kids got the first jab vaccination and it's just a fucking nightmare.
Just ask me about this.
Can't remember.
Anyone in a position, buy or sell?
No.
Yeah, I'm still in a buy.
I pull out also.
I'm not. No position. No open positions.
No positions for me.
Wait for the news.
I think there's a lot of liquidity to be taken now.
The stop loss hunting week in the morning was so dirty. Crazy.
Yeah. That was a good set. Was it 60, 70 pips? Almost 100. But, you know,
Yes.
it just massaging the pivot, gravitating around the pivot and just moving up and down.
I placed the buy order, take a shower, come back, and there was stop loss hit, and I say, "Fuck, what's going on?"
And then it was
days.
shooting up.
Yes. And I placed my stop loss at 1906, and then I move it forward to 0.5 points, and that was the big mistake this morning. The biggest mistake this morning.
You know what was your mistake, Adrian? You took too long while showering.
Yeah, yes, Marwan. yes. I'm a big guy, you know. I need a little bit more time.
I think he dropped the soap.
No, this is the last 2 days are very. I missed the sell yesterday, but next week is a better week, I think.
And the sell yesterday, I caught like 120 pips.
I see it, Marwan. Nice catch. Congrats to you, man,
Nice,
and the
nice,
others.
nice.
Very good, very good. But
25 was a nice level, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but guys, I'm tired to watching all the time in the charts, and this is making me sick. And my daughter also is at home, not in the kindergarten. She's sick, and I have to move away from the laptop, from the charts. And
Yeah, Adrian, what you can do, just set some alert on trading view for some critical levels, and once you get it, then
I got it. In the future, I will practice it a little bit more, and then I will catch a few pips more, I think. But thank you, Marwan.
Damn it. The Fed manufacturing index is bang on the same time as the initial jobless claims. Now, if the manufacturing index is worse than expected, how do you think it's going to affect US 30, which isn't a tech-heavy index? It's going to go further down. I would love...
That's the first time I see US 30. I'm not looking at it. What?
Yesterday, yeah, it was even bigger move than what we caught on Monday or Tuesday. And I was so pissed because, you know, during the stream, we were selling So first he was buying to fill the liquidity. Ahmed came in and persuaded me that, yeah, we talked about the data, and I said, yeah, this guy's right. And, you know, started taking a sell. But these weeks, you know, closed out because my stop loss was tight, and then US 30 melted like 500 pips, and I was just so pissed. That 500 pips, it would have been, you know, I'm done for the whole month.
Yeah, I know, man. That sucks.
Yeah, it's tough when you do this for a living and you're not delivering the results. I think that's still one of my biggest problems fighting with, you know, keeping the targets. Like I need to achieve this amount of money per month just to keep up my living expenses, and that's actually not good when the market is not favorable. I know it will be fine because, you know, one trade and, you know, the living cost could be covered for the whole month with the capital I use. But the problem is that when it's not coming and just racking up, you know, 800, 1,000, 2,000 losses, it's a brain fuck. It's not healthy. And Adria mentioned as well, like when you have kid, especially sick, it's even worse. You can't trade like that.
Yeah, I understand, man.
Yeah, you're right, Thomas. But we've seen really good days also, and the profit was much bigger than the losses.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I know it will be fine, but those who don't trade for a living, yeah, they could be frustrated as well. But it's not easy sometimes. It's the same story over and over again. It doesn't matter how many years you've been trading. It's the same story.
Yeah.
Emotions, responsibilities, especially when you get older, when you have family. Now it's a game changer.
True. The US 30 is at the bottom of the wedge now, and is at the order block level, the 1 hour order block. So it's a critical zone here.
It went back straight to, you know, where the wedge was, right in the middle.
Yep. I luckily I caught it, to be honest with you. It wasn't that big lot, but still managed to make end up with 2%. Not bad.
So buy or sell, stop loss and take profit, please. It's your day, guys. You tell me, should I buy or should I sell? I've done everything this week, this month. I mean, 2 years I've been doing it every single day. But now, tell me.
Ask me, brother.
I can tell my opinion, but it's not obligatory for anyone, of course. I see that the dollar is yesterday candle was a weekly reversal candle. At least in minimum, a decent weekly correction is going to be on dollar, and that means that all the dollar pairs is going to go lower against dollar, in my humble opinion. And for the usually when the dollar index is strong, most of the times the indices drop.
I would not be confident to buy this bearish movement, nor to sell. It's too low to sell, too bearish to buy.
I agree, man.
I mean, come on, 500 pips. On the other side, gold, when I closed on a position, now it starts moving to the upside. An absolute brain fuck.
Man, the you know, the volume on the lower time frame, especially 5 minutes, it's a good indication, a good indicator. That's why I didn't close it. Yeah, I checked the 5 minutes. I saw.
Let's place a buy.
Oh.
We have 3 minutes. Small positions, small lot size, wider stop loss. Jobless claims. I think it's going to be higher than expected because the NFP for December is quite disappointing, meaning that people who were wanting to get a job for Christmas season, they couldn't. That's my speculation. So I entered into buy position. Stop loss is around the 61.8 at 1907.
Good luck, guys.
But US 30, I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm going to close it for now. Well, actually, just going to reduce it like this because I wouldn't be confident to trade any buy or sells in this movement. But don't follow me because the last 2 days was an absolute shitstorm.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah, I'm gonna reduce my lot size just to be on the safe side.
50 seconds to go.
We coming to this trading room, we gotta take the good with the bad.
Yep.
Yeah, no worries.
40 seconds to go.
I'm still holding my... Do I have a delay of 10 seconds?
Yeah, we're going to have a delay. So, 30 seconds.
$35 for me.
Oh my god.
69.
You're not helping, Raoul.
No.
Full margin, no stop loss.
15 for me.
2 seconds, and the data is... Oh, what is the data? Shout out the data. Not
Still
out
4
yet.
seconds.
No, go back, go back. Go back, you dirty gold. Alright, manufacturing is better than expected. That's good for stocks. Let's have a quick look on stocks. Hasn't moved that much yet. Continuing improved. Initial improved. Everything is improving. We all saved. Let's see how the market is going to react. It's quite muted. I think everyone is just digesting the news now.
No,
The last 2 days, the news were muted totally.
But that's a sell, right? Everything is green for the dollar. Only the building permits are.
You tell me.
For the.
Well, you know my opinion on dollar.
This by the news, sell the facts.
I'm selling I'm buying every single dollar pair for me.
Huh?
US 30. Did your chart on US 30 moved, or is it my trading view froze down again?
No, it's not moving. It's not moving.
No, it has
news are really
bearish,
disappointing.
Yeah, it's dropping a little bit.
We could knew gold went up first.
You know, when it just doesn't work, you have to let it go. There's no point stressing on something that we have no control over.
I think gold will sell again to 119.24.
Oh no, me, please don't start today. As much as I love you, you know. Yeah, 3,000, 2,000.
Right
yeah.
I just placed buy.
Did you buy?
Yeah. I have
Alright,
to, I definitely owe you apology, Norman, for yesterday, because I thought you're completely wrong, but you weren't. You were actually right.
But what do you always say, Alan? What do you always say, Alan? Even a broken clock can be right twice a day.
Well, yeah, that's...
Oh, man. It's under the bed. Come on.
That's what we
yeah, that is my statement, yeah.
US 30 is
1924.
yeah, no man, you're just throwing in random numbers and it's really difficult to follow you sometimes.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, I will not say anything.
1924, you say? That's a different
That's
level.
good. 1924 is good. Keep talking, no man.
Yeah, I remember that year well.
Thomas, gold at 19082, 1907 has been retesting the entire day today. So if it goes up, gold will be gold then.
I'm mentally tired this week on the markets. Psychologically.
Take some days off, Thomas. We all need those.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a personal day tomorrow.
You always come back stronger. You deserve a day off anyway.
That's right.
And
Hey,
what
hey,
happens
hey,
then?
hey.
What happens then? He posted a trade.
One trade.
I have weekends, and then he start posting trades on his channel. It's a land addiction.
Moving, going up.
What kind of lots are you going in, Norman?
0.50.
45.
Because you move it up.
What's happening with US 30? Let's have a look on S&P 500.
The same move a little bit as gold.
Nothing.
Up and down. Up and down.
Hold on. So US 30 is looking good for a buy because remember what happened recently when we had the manufacturing data, which was quite disappointing. US 30 started to sell off. But actually the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index is now improving. So this could be translated by the market participants. I'm just thinking out loud that okay, so it's good time to buy stocks.
And technically it's really reached the overbought.
Alright, let's place a small buy based on the data. I'm going to zoom in, but it's quite difficult because the chart isn't... Let me go to lower time frame. Yes. Oh, daily pivot is just above. Alright, let's enter on the current price level and let's target the pivot. Stop loss below the wick. Sounds good.
Yeah, I'm in.
Or no stop loss, no problem.
Yeah, that's true too.
So the market wiped out the buyers, and now it's going to wipe out the sellers before going into the final direction.
Most likely.
That's a characteristic of the market recently, actually. Yeah, wiping both sides. I've noticed that in the past few weeks.
Yeah, that's also my problem. I don't see like a proper structure. Like, but my strategy before doesn't work anymore. So, like, back to the drawing board.
I need some ideas, people. I need some positions. I need stop loss, take profit.
You're already in two positions, man.
Hmm?
You're already in two positions, so...
Yeah, one more. I want 10 positions.
Big lot size.
Big lot size. Big money.
CC.
Come on, guys, push up the market.
No, I think we wait for New York.
Whoa, gold is moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, time to wipe the sellers.
Nothing is happening. Let's have a look, final look on the data. Absolutely nothing later. We have central bank speeches, but nothing.
If you got a chance, check the last chart and share your charts in the group, please. This is exactly the USD index.
Right, gold is doing its thing, and
Hello.
yes, started to see some movement.
Oh, that actually feels good now. That that 45 pips. I thought there's something wrong with me, like, you know, not being able to trade, but I'm back.
Don't worry, Thomas, we feel that every day.
Don Kanawati, that's for you.
Think we're gonna feel that week up to 16.
What's going to happen? On US 30, I'm reducing the position because it isn't moving much. So I'm going to half it. You go away, Don. Where's the mute button?
Finish him.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
That's muted, by the way.
That's because I went in a cell. Sorry.
What did you see?
That's the spirit.
That's the
What did you see,
spirit.
Raul?
I'm scalping. It's on my short-term stock was oversold, and I saw in Doji.
Oh, I don't see it, the sell. That's enough to know with gold.
Okay, then I leave I close it.
That was an easy change.
If Marwan says no, I don't see the sell, then it's time.
Oh, come on, man.
Wait a second.
Raul, give some confirmations. What did you see? Was it RSI?
No,
I see an inverted
I use a double stochastic. I use an combined the long and a term short term.
I don't use fancy things.
And I had 13. What's this a level what I have for a long time? It's I tapped in
It's
and it went
just
down.
stock. Doesn't move up,
Let's
doesn't
see
move
that
down.
Yeah, it moves down.
The jobless claims and the continuing job losses were slightly down, so that should be negative, really.
For
But I saw some
gold.
What did you said? No, you don't see sell.
No, what I'm saying, just look at the 15 minutes candle. If it closes above the pivot, then it's confirmation.
Well, the longer I look, the more money I lose.
I agree. But if I'm scalping, I'm not going higher than the 5 minutes.
Yeah, right.
still above the pivot, still above the 50 RSI, still, it just broke the structure, finally broke out on lower time frame from this consolidation, but yeah, it did break out before. That was a fake out. So I have 3 confirmations for the buy.
I think buys will stay. Is that week up to 17, which I think we're gonna be filled first before any movement.
What's going to happen, Alex?
The week which we are having up to 17, I think that we're gonna have a buy for another 50 pips from now on.
That's good. If we have a buy, if it goes up to 17, that will give me a decent amount of profit. So I would be happy with that.
Yeah, I think it's still a buy. Let's see.
I don't know. The unemployment claims came against expectations, and it means that still more jobs are being created.
Yeah, I agree.
And how does it affect the Fed decision?
Well, according to the last conference from Mr. Powell, he was still insisting on the point that it's crucial that the jobs market is still on fire. And
yeah, because we have the wage inflation, we have companies having difficulties to attract the right people. Yet unemployment is all-time low.
Yeah,
don't listen to Paul. He's sick. He have COVID right now. He's under medication.
Does that interpret any technical analysis if he's got COVID?
No, that's fundamental.
Yeah, but what Ali's talking about? Oh, Don, what Ali's talking about? It was said back in December, November. So it's the previous meetings.
Yeah, I got his point, but when I'm saying fundamental, always screw everything.
You know, today, yes, I did my analysis on gold fundamentally, technically, but I just come to a conclusion that I'm going to just listen to my gut feeling, because maybe the problem yesterday was that I was overthinking. That has led into indecisiveness, uncertainty, exactly just like the market. So today, yes, I did look at the data, but just gut feeling. Let's roll the dice. And the market isn't moving anywhere.
Oh, I'm still holding the sell.
Yeah.
Even the Hastings starts improved in December. Wow.
Can I share my view with the guys over here, please?
Feel free, whatever you guys want to do.
Hello.
In the first half of the month, it was pumping up like hell. Usually, from my experience, I feel the first 15 days and the second 15 days for gold, I mean, it always goes in the other direction. So I believe there will be pumps ups suddenly. Gold is crazy. But I feel like until the end of the month, we'll be having some kind of a soft landing till 1880, descending. At least until the middle of next week.
Soft landing.
Yeah, it's gonna keep showing you it's going up, and then it goes down.
Oh, soft landing on gold. Okay, I thought soft landing.
Yeah.
The policy.
No, soft landing on gold. I mean.
Okay.
Because USA have DXY and have gold. They also have reserved gold, big quantities. So
And they have
play with
Coca-Cola.
the DXY. Yeah, and they play with DXY half the month, and then they play with the gold half the month. So in both ways, they're winning.
Well, politically speaking, I know we don't usually base our analysis on politics, but they have no interest on getting the gold higher and higher, because it is clearly that Russia is depending on the gold reserve to fund the war, and also to keep their economy on its feet.
By the way, guys, keep in mind tomorrow the last working day in China until 28.
All gold.
28th of January, right?
Yeah, I mean the banks are off.
Yeah.
So
Tomorrow.
I believe tomorrow is the last day.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Yeah, I mean, and then until 28 they are away. So
Who?
the mice will play when the Chinese are away.
The Chinese lunar year.
Yes, until 28 the banks are out of the game. It's government holiday.
Whoa, so 14 days, the whole country without banks?
No, you can still go to the bank, but for example, even you make a wire transfer, it takes 4 days, 5 days to arrive. More than
Or is it
usual.
not automated?
Yes, but you know there is still manual checking.
No,
In China,
that's
and third world.
I don't. Is there really manual checking for a billion people?
No,
Wow.
no. I'm talking about international transfers right now.
Ah,
Incoming.
okay. So like the. Oh, I want
Like you want to
say
buy
no-
goods from China, nothing gonna
Swift
happen during
payments.
this week. Yes, that's what I meant.
Swift, but even Swift is automated.
Still, the central bank will not release it. They have to check.
Yeah, that's true. I got Swift payments sometimes in 15 minutes from bank, international, from bank to bank.
Yes, I get it in 5 minutes.
I get it
depends
in
on
4
the
minutes.
origin.
Raul, you get it immediately, I guess, right?
Raul is a minute guy.
Yeah, absolutely.
1 minute.
I don't
man.
understand.
Don't
I
know
don't
that.
understand why them I don't understand why I'm saying you burning fat, with sex at the same as 5K running. Nobody runs
that's
for 1 minute.
That's a quickie Swift.
Nobody runs 5K in a minute.
Nice.
Dirty 30. So we have in 8 minutes we are going to have new 4-hour candles, ladies and gentlemen.
Then we go to the 4-hour chart.
You see what I was talking about, Thomas? They wiped out the sellers, the buyers at the same time. Okay, and this has been a major characteristic of the market, the U.S. session mainly, in the past few weeks.
Hello?
So anybody trying to use closed stop loss, it's gonna be hit.
No stop
I'm
loss.
still holding.
No stop loss hit.
No stop loss, no problem.
Yeah, no stop loss hit.
Yeah, I'm using moderate lot sizes with bigger stop loss, just to avoid being hit by those wicks.
So there is correlation between flushing the toilet and gold going down. So how to make it go up?
US 30
Likes
going
on,
up.
likes on YouTube,
No.
it's been proven.
I don't do it. I don't do it.
You don't flush?
No, I will not flush.
That's frustrating.
Thomas and his play.
I have a hole in my 2 ears right now.
Thomas has not so much to do, then he start doing this kind of thing.
Press all the button, bros.
No, God!
Oh my god.
No, God, please, no! No! No!
You let off those shots, everything started going up.
Yeah, that's helping gold, man. Keep doing it.
Oh, that's epic.
X-Files.
Yeah.
Gold goes up. Wait a bit.
So the music is causing an erection right now.
Erection?
Wow. You
the
maybe
price.
want to, you know, clarify this statement.
I
Like,
say
give
in
the
the
whole context. Like, it's causing an erection in the market, not you, I hope.
Yeah. No.
But if it makes you happy, let's pump it up.
Finish it. Oh my.
And it does work as
Happy
soon as
if I buy again and my pillow stops it.
when I press the buttons on my soundboard, gold and US30 starts to go up.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
We discovered a new correlation.
Yeah, we did.
It might be an M pattern. It might be an M pattern.
Look, and it's now going up again. What do you think? Is gold going to reach 1920 or not?
That would be great. I have a sell limit there.
I think easily it was gonna reach.
Human 1980.
1980? No, man, you're just throwing in random numbers again, you cheeky fucker. You always
No,
come
man.
in,
No woman.
start to giggle and say 2153. No analysis, nothing, you just throw in random numbers.
No,
How you
it's
make
not
it?
random number. It's not random number.
I know there's a quite scientific, thorough analysis goes into this simplistic number, but
I just added at 4 or D1.
keep talking, Norman, because gold is going up since you started talking.
1950, inshallah. Say.
I don't know how you do it, but keep doing it.
X-Files, please.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't want to get banned on YouTube because the copyrights.
So use the chicken.
That's better one.
Yeah, that's much better.
It's going okay so far, for now. Mr. Crop says,
Take
very
some
transparent
money
streamer, we
from the
all
table.
see what's going on his trade. I think there's no other way to do it. If you put it out fully, right, Raul?
Yeah. And if you're happy, pull out. Truly.
Happy ending now, clap your hands.
No,
If
not
you
happy.
happy-
I mean trading.
Yeah, don't encourage Raul. He'll be doing his elephant impression soon.
His
I
helicopter.
haven't heard that. I want to hear it.
No, you have to see it.
I don't think I
Oh, Alan.
changed my mind. No.
Alan. Alright, we have 1 minute until the new 4-hour candle, ladies and gentlemen. Gold started to pump up. US 30 is a bit shy, but chances are good that we are going north today and not south to fill the massive imbalance left on the market.
Yeah.
What about New York?
Forget about New York, man. Just let's fill it now and then we'll worry about New York later on.
You have 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then you are 4-hour candle just opened. Oh, how fucking frustrating.
Sell?
Buy? Stop loss?
I'm still in a buy.
Take profit?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, JK says, Tomasz, I love you. I love you too, bro.
Oh.
Hello, Mary.
Yeah.
Try me, Argentina.
Don, you're still in a sell?
No.
Taking partials.
That one already closed and I'm in a buy. And I'm holding the buy
Dubai.
and I'm gonna
Make
enter
the
a sell
money, take
soon.
half the money.
Buy or need to buy?
Does anyone hedge their position at all?
Sometimes.
I have a very strong opinion about hedging.
Yeah.
It sucks.
It's, first of all, because I used hedging when I was a fixed income trader. We used hedging to protect the portfolio against, fluctuation in interest rate, 50 basis point, 25 basis point, because we invested in long term, like 5-year was the top, 7-year was the top, sorry, in corporate bonds. So we had to protect the entire lifetime, the bond portfolio, with futures contract if Powell came in and started raising or decreasing interest rate. But in Forex market, for God's sake, most of the people can't even get the general direction right, and then they start hedging, which is just they taking an opposite side of the position, thinking that I'm big trader. But no, it's legal. First get the direction right, then you can play around if you want to protect, but there's no point, in my opinion. And I do apologize if I hurt anyone, but I think it's just absolutely nonsense
No,
to
I was
hedge.
just throwing a question. I don't do it. But
Yeah.
I was in another Discord the other day and they were talking about it. So I was just curious if
No,
anyone
it's
did it or not.
people think that it's they smart traders and professionals because they hedge, but that's not hedging if you just take the opposite side of the position, or if you open a buy and a sell at the same time, or you in a position winning in a buy but then you're not too sure what to do, therefore you open a counter trade and then you just got stuck and lose money on both ends.
Yep.
It just doesn't make sense, in my opinion. It's very dangerous, because especially with novice traders, especially with beginner traders who don't know what to do, they get confused, and the market is moving fast and they have two positions. How many people message me on a daily basis that, sir, I have a sell, and if you look gold, and this is a true example that how many messages I get. So for example, someone messaged me this Monday that, sir, I have a sell position from 1895.
No way.
1895. And I was like, mate, what the fish are you doing? And he showed me his MetaTrader screen and he was losing big time, and is keep holding the position. Absolutely insane.
When I first started trading, that's what I used to do.
Yeah, and he actually was in a winning position because he followed the stream, he opened the position, he was winning some money. And then he asked me, do I hedge this winning position? I was like, no, you just sort out your shit, your losses, and then you can, first learn how not to lose money, then you can start learning how to make money. Sorry, rant is over.
Can I one up this person? I'm actually holding positions since 1731 on sell, but since now that I know that the market has turned, I'm just buying, and like when I make profits, I slowly start to. It's not the best strategy, but it's worked for me for the last 2 months, and I've been able to get my account under control. So,
if it works, then keep doing it. I don't care what you guys doing, but if it works, don't stop. It's the same when if I ask any of your wives, or they would say, "Don't stop, it works."
That's getting personal.
Alright, I'm gonna start looking in some profits because the market ain't moving anywhere.
Yeah, but
so.
Yeah, I think it's. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Do you think, Noman, are you still here?
Yes.
Did you say 1920?
Just Thomas, just open the H4 chart of gold. Zoom out.
What did you do?
H4.
Zoom out.
4-hour chart.
Oh, 4-hour chart, sorry.
Zoom out. Zoom out, zoom out. Just see the structure.
Just see the structure, yeah. It's clearly.
Down.
Yes, no man.
Back. On the top, see on the top, yeah. Here. See, it's the same structure is playing last from the last from you started this what do you say?
What do I do?
The trend
Tell
line.
me.
You draw the trend line, right?
I did, yeah.
From where you started the trend line, see the same structure is playing here also. See?
Lock some profit, Thomas.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, he's saying there's a fractal there.
A what?
Thank you, Thomas. I made 20% on my account today.
Hey! It's double your money, not lose your money today.
Call it a day as soon as you end your stream.
Well done, Thomas.
Thank you.
Well, 1 out of 10 did work out a little bit. 2 days is just stop loss, and some profit.
That 1 out of 10 covers the losses for the 9.
Oh, gold started moving. So I locked in half of the big position.
Told you, trust me, brother.
Yes, Neumann.
Why I don't do that?
It's break 1913 now. It will go at
If
least
you say that-
1930 now.
I'm moving my
can
stop
look at
loss into
18.34.
break even.
First level is 16.
Next is 18.34.
My head starts aching when you guys throwing in random numbers. 1917 2850 222 111.
But is it a little bit more than 16 is this morning's
Whoa,
high?
whoa, it's bumping. Guys, it doesn't matter from which side I observe, it's still, above 100 just on gold. 52 and 67 pips. 38 on US 30, yet US 30 did nothing really, and we made 36 pips. For now. It can change any minute.
Yeah, S30 strong buy.
Oh, did you see something on the volume?
Yeah.
Teach us, master.
I'm no master,
Yes.
man.
Yes, master.
Let's
Volume is
see.
screwed on gold.
No, the volume is still okay on gold, man.
Okay. Looks like my trading view has a problem.
We need to check this 15 minutes candle. Hopefully, closes.
Make
up
the money,
good.
take the money, guys.
15 minutes, 6 minutes left.
Well, usually when you're, for example, the volume, how I read it, when you're in a downtrend and you have high volume, and then when you reach a point, a pivot point, you start seeing much lower volume, but still the movement is going down until it holds. And then once you see a kind of rejection on a pivot, a strong level, with a wick downside and a very high volume for it, that shows that there's something's gonna happen. I monitor the couple of more candles on a lower time frame and check if the volume start increasing again. So if the volume will start increase again higher than the previous ones, that means a change in direction will happen. And it's working really great on most of my trades.
It just did change the volume on US 30, right?
Yeah, the volume on the 15 minutes, we start having higher volume now, and I'm just waiting for this current 15 minutes candle to close.
Whoa, sorry. Gold started to move. Wow.
Watch 18.34.
Whoa. No man is going to be right. Second day in a row.
In a row. Fuck's sake.
I'm with you, no man.
Thank you.
Why you blush, Norman?
No, Rahul.
Yeah.
I told you, right?
No, I didn't hear you. I hear anything. You guys?
Before
right?
20 days, I told you, right? For a baby boy.
I can't remember, Tom. I'm old.
I told you.
I told you for fucking.
I text you.
Oh, you have Raul's private phone number.
No.
What's going on there?
We're going in.
Yeah.
When?
I text you that I'm blessed with baby boy. I told you.
Is that so? I missed.
We're going into a supply zone in the 15 minute.
I enter cell.
When was your baby boy born, Norman?
Just 20 days
We are
before.
at a resistance on gold.
20 December.
19 December.
Oh, 19 December. So you have babysitting also. I missed. Wait, what? Damn, what? You text me too much, my friend.
Seems like gold is about to make a shooting star candle in 15 minutes.
No, you did, Norman. You didn't.
What?
You didn't.
No, I did.
No.
Seriously?
Yeah,
1
yeah, in
minute
my
more.
brain. No. The 25th of November, then this next match it's in 26th of December. And the only thing you're talking about is your MMF account.
Okay.
Shame on you, Norman.
Oh man, what happened to the 20?
He got a baby.
120?
He didn't pull out.
Oh, it's stuck on 1954.
Yeah, of course.
Anybody selling gold now?
No.
It's at a resistance level, but we are waiting for a confirmation candle.
Yes.
Or something. I'm looking at a 5-minute and 1-minute chart to see if we can get any kind of confirmation to sell.
Yeah, me too.
Normally me too, but because New York is opening soon, you get your dirty move. So I wait after that.
I'm just waiting for a friendly word. How are you, Tomasz, today?
Hi Thomas, how do you feel?
Nah, don't even ask.
How was babysitting?
That was good. That was
I
fun.
know how the sleepless nights can get.
Yeah, he fell asleep on my chest, so I couldn't move to come to do the morning briefing. And you know, there was literally the 2 hours I had to lay flat with the baby on my chest.
That's lovely, man.
At the same time,
so you get some rest too.
Things to do, yeah.
Did you take a nap too, Thomas?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, that's nice. It's time for your next one, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be a cold beer, and that is going to sleep.
That will be tomorrow for me.
You working tomorrow?
No, my weekend started already, so tomorrow
Yeah,
is day.
Margarita Day.
Yeah.
In a sombrero.
Andre, iba.
What was that? Rahul?
The good thing I like about Nomi is always happy.
Always happy.
Yeah, he's always cheerful, you know, giggly.
No, I have something else I appreciate about him.
What?
Shall I tell you that, Norman?
What?
He failed a couple of times his challenge, but he didn't quit. Look for the cause, went for a solution, and tried again. That is something I can appreciate.
Yeah, but do you know what this FAIL stands for?
Mm-hmm.
First attempt in learning. FAIL.
No, yep. You know what I got like on every challenge why I fail because of the big lot size. My every time my SL I closed because of the big loss. I close every time the position because of the loss, and from there the position reverse to my point. So now in my FF challenge I just place 0.20 multiple lots or 0.52 lots. That's it. It's hit by TP and not.
Here we go, Tamas. The wick has been filled.
Very nice. Make the money, take the money. We have 10 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange open. I'm going to take some money off the table now because we reached the previous high.
Yep. For now, it looks it respects.
Good money today. Yeah, it's more than profit. I had, I think, how many? I think 2 stop loss hits for today.
I think it's nice the fact that early on we were talking about bad days and suddenly it changed on a positive
Exactly.
sentiment, you know? It's
There is always rainbow above the clouds.
all day.
The night is coldest before the dawn.
Going.
Yeah.
Oh, Norman, Kuldeep Kale, Curly Kill, says that Norman is great. His sentiment is good about the market. Nah, he's just throwing in random numbers, and one of them actually does hit the target.
Not random numbers.
And then, for fuck's sake, he was right also. No, when we just teasing you.
I love you, Norman.
Sometimes you're a pain in the ass, but we love you, Norman.
Most of the time, she's a pain in the ass.
Aye.
Alright, take some more money off the table.
Yeah.
Because we have 9 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Make the money, take the money. It's a very good day rate today. And suddenly, do you see some people say that money doesn't make you happy? Fuck off. I'm immediately
Yes,
happy as I see the blue numbers on my screen.
Amen, Thomas.
Hey, Kevin.
I shared the meme that day. It's like money is like Dettol. It cleans away all the problems.
Yeah, it's the thing is that yes, money doesn't make you happy in all aspects of life. It can't buy you a kid. Well, actually, it can buy you a kid. But anyway, that's a different story.
It definitely solved every problem.
Yeah, but you know, money doesn't make you happy. No, but it makes life a bit bearable because you can have nice things and that can cheer you up. It won't solve your problems. It can cause you bigger problems. But you know, I would rather be sad and rich than happy than poor. No, maybe that's not true. But you know, I don't think that poverty is the solution. I've been there. You know,
It's like a knife. It's the way you use it.
we didn't have much money when I grew up. Remember when I was bullied in school because my classmates, they had, you know, Adidas, Nike, you know, nice shoes, and we bought it in the Chinese store. And I got so much bully, and I promised to myself I'm never going to buy, you know, not cheap, but you know, I want nice things. I don't want to show you or prove to anyone, but it makes me happy that if I achieve something and I can afford to have nice clothes and nice things, and it satisfies me. If anyone says that money doesn't make you happy, then they're wrong.
The perfect combination is good health and money.
Yes.
So I wish you guys a healthy pocket.
But you know, a table has 4 legs. if you take out any of the legs, it becomes a bit wobbly, isn't it? You know, and the 4 legs, you know, money, health, family, and sex. These are the 4 things, the key elements. You can laugh, but the relationship.
Then I wish you a healthy, rich life.
If you look at
Nah, but I understand
That's
the fact what
fine,
you
but
mean.
the most stable table has 3 legs. But you know,
we can go into
we're talking
hypothetical.
Oh my god.
That's a retarded table, you know.
No,
We can twist it. We
You
can
don't have
twist
to-
it, but
They've got
anyway.
3 legs. They don't have to all be the same length, but it'll always be stable. Where 4 legs, you just need one off, and then it's wobbly.
But the moral of the story is that's a fact. You're coming from humble beginnings, and then you achieve
So
something.
if we have
in
4
life.
to choose
It's
3
different.
from, what would you keep?
3.
I don't think that's it's worth to talk about which one would you choose if you had. But what I was trying to say before you.
We know it's all right. Rudely interrupted you. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Alan. Finally, with age comes wisdom, so I appreciate. So, you have to have in a relationship or in life. These are the 4 things, in my opinion, which makes it round and whole. If you take away one, it still could work, but it won't be. There will be always something missing. Yeah, the balance, equilibrium. Exactly.
See, that's why the truck have more than 6 wheels.
What are you talking about?
I remember the day, and this is the last sentimental story, when I arrived to the UK with £150 in my pocket. I was 19 years old, had no education, no qualification, no experience at all. And I got the job at a bar in the O2 Arena. It was a very shitty Spanish restaurant with one of the worst bosses ever. But anyway, I was going... they hired me for the Christmas season because there are concerts, etc. And it was my second week. I was waiting for the bus. I went into the off-license store, grabbed a can of Coke out of the fridge, and I couldn't pay for it. And it was like, we're talking about 50 pence or even less back in 2006, 8. And I couldn't afford it. I couldn't buy it. I was like, fuck. I had money at home, but it wasn't that much. And I was like, shit. And I had to put it back. Do you know how that feel when you're 19 and you absolutely no family, no money? And that day, at that day, I promised to myself, I'm never gonna be broke again. Of course, life, it's a very nice thing to say, up and down. I did become unemployed a few years later. Had no money, so yes, I was broke quite a few times after. But who hasn't been in life, ever? But I think if I didn't experience these things, I would not be where I am today. Yeah. And yeah, I'm proud of it that I couldn't afford that kind of Coke, that changed my thinking. That I promised to myself, never ever again. I always keep enough cash for safety, for anything. Just anything could happen.
That is true. Life is unpredictable. Suddenly.
Yeah.
But that's the way to do it, honestly. It's inspiring for those who are starting or those who are, becoming to those obstacles. But I think that's
when
the way.
my second internship was against to some very high pedigree university students from fancy universities, and it was a startup company. It was a trading job, and we had to do the usual assessment, talk with HR, and they had qualifications. They went to private schools. They were not just British, like German, but they were rich family kids, and they were smart and everything. And I think I was 20 something, and they immediately clicked with each other during the interview, and they looked down on me and another girl, Yeah, they looked down on me and another girl, and I said, "You fuck off, you cheeky fuckers." And you know, this was a small startup hedge fund, and they performed well. We didn't get the job, and I knew the guys staying in the office who did the interview, the managing director. And I went back and I said, "Can I ask you, who did you hire?" And it was like, "Well, you know, these guys had better qualifications, better English and everything." And I said, "You know what? How much do you pay for them?" And he told me, and you know, I'm going to do half of the money. I'm going to twice as them. You teach me, I do everything, I learn everything. And then he said, "Okay, that's deal." So he called them like, "Sorry, we don't need you anymore." And me and the girl got hired.
Wow.
That's a good
You gotta be
story.
determined.
Yeah, and that job landed me to Thomson Reuters because he was a managing director at Barclays. So you need to be smart sometimes, but don't let down if you don't have money or qualifications. There's always a way. Just you have to go for it.
Nice story, Thomas.
Thank
Nice
you so
story.
much.
So basically,
That's reality.
So basically,
Easy
basically
one
the
cannot
other
be on
guy
YouTube
stop loss
says.
hit.
Sorry,
You can make
easy
a
one.
YouTube movie.
Easy one cannot be on YouTube says, "Thomas, don't do cocaine." I don't do. I'm just happy. I'm pip high because if you look at my screen, that is
Dopamine
300
pip.
pips.
US 30 shooting up.
Thomas, the other guys who lost the job, their stop loss hit.
Big stop
Don,
loss
you
hit.
still holding the sell or no?
Me? No, of course not. I'm in a buy already.
I lost track. I was on a phone call.
No,
Yeah.
come on.
Well done, well done.
Why Discord is not connecting?
Oh, easy one can be that was Coke, not cocaine. It's Coca-Cola. Alright, easy life, and the New York Stock Exchange is open. Well, let's have a look in TradingView. Just like you looking at the mirrors when you're driving a car to see what is happening. Okay, on US 30, I'm going to close down the position right now. That's £1,200. I'm happy with that. Didn't move that much.
Damn, as soon as you close it, you start moving up. I hate when when that happens.
No, but did you book in profit?
Okay, that's a fact. What's up?
23% on the account now. Thank you. Close my SP 500.
Very nice. Gold is still pumping. That's nice.
I reckon it might drop because it's struggling to move up.
Guys, I leave. See you tomorrow, maybe. Have a
Bye.
nice
See
day.
you on Monday. I will take a day off tomorrow.
Yes,
I'll see
enjoy
you on
your
Monday.
time, Thomas. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Ciao.
Thank you. Bye.
Cześć.
Bye.
Two shit in the body van. You guys selling gold or not yet?
But it's 15 minutes on this level now.
Check the 5 minutes now. If it closes to the wick up.
Because
now you have
a shooting star, it's going to retest, and it's still not going higher.
Yeah, it's high volume with the higher wick, so it might retrace. Yeah, it's gonna retrace. I'm closing all the positions. Done for the day.
Well done.
I'm selling gold now.
Yeah.
Yeah, closed all my buys for a little sell on it. 0.01, so that's it.
$901, $902, I will enter a buy.
Hi Thomas, how are you?
Ivan, zdravo kolega.
Zdravo, zdravo. I was in Budapest recently. It was one of the beautiful cities I've ever seen. It's just beautiful. The parliament is something.
Thank you so much. But where are you from? Not Serbia.
Zagreb, Croatia.
Zagreb. Oh, Croatia is beautiful. I mean, you have Dubrovnik, Split, you know, many beautiful things, cities.
Yeah, few weeks ago, I decided to maybe travel a bit around my country. No, I didn't travel that much, so I visited Ljubljana, Budapest, Belgrade. Sarajevo is the next plan. So
Sarajevo, I haven't been there for like 20 years, but Alban is from Sarajevo.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You can meet up. We have members all around the world.
Alban.
Dr. Alban.
It's doctor.
All right, guys. Today, net P&L, profit or loss or break even?
Profit.
Profit.
Profit. Took a loss, just like yesterday.
Took a loss.
Yeah.
Profit.
I was in a sell.
No one, shut up. Oops, he did. Oops.
Small profit today, but good.
Small profit is better than no profit.
Exactly.
Profit is a profit.
Profit is a profit. And
Right.
loss is a loss.
Team, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna play with Alpha Junior. I'm going to read about Fibonacci to him.
By the way, before you go, anybody see the signal on Alpha Junior Street tonight, today? It was a bullish sign. Yeah.
Anyway, weekend starts today. See you tomorrow, guys. Next week.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Have a good weekend,
Have a
everyone.
good
weekend,
Thomas.
Thomas.
Have a wonderful
Thank
weekend.
you.
Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters.
Thank you, Alpha Sonia.
Bye.
Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
So, bye bye.
Selling.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, if you would like to join the Alpha community, you can go to alphafx.eu where we have all of this. You know, 2 plans. We have morning briefings every day. It's a lifetime membership, so we have morning briefings, live trading in the morning briefing if there are opportunities in the market, live trading in the afternoon, swing and scalping strategies. the whole package. So if you'd like to join, go to alphafx.eu, link in the chat or the description below. And until that, I wish everyone a happy weekend. And of course, US30 is pumping up when I pull out from the position. This is just so Murphy's. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the stream today, made some money. This is the Alpha Fax.